Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Do it with Lily. I'll be showing you how to do Maggie cubes or chicken Maggie cube with no preservatives, no additives. Everything you'll be using will come out of your fridge, so you will know exactly what you're feeding yourself and your family. So I hope this video is helpful and you get something out of it. If it's your first time stopping by, thank you for watching my video. Thank you for clicking on this video, and welcome. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and enjoy the video. I begin to Now I mash my vegetables and I blend it to have a fine consistency. But if you have a mixer, please use it. It's gonna save you time. So whatever you have, use it. You just need that fine consistency. So after you get that consistency right here, you're just gonna transport it on a wax paper on a pan and you put it in your freezer. You can choose to leave it for a couple of hours or overnight, but I chose to leave mine overnight. It's the next day, guys, so this is how it's looking. So what I'm gonna do is just take it out of the pan and put it on a cutting board and cut them into cubes. I begin to
It's so
So look at this, so how beautiful it looks. So I'm gonna put all the cubes in each aluminum foil, and just fold them and put them back in the freezer. So you have to put them back, and you have to put your Maggie cubes back in the freezer because it's not gonna last outside. So there you have it. So this is, I have a lot. I have a lot of Maggie cubes. That's gonna last me, oh god, a good 2 weeks, if not more. Alright guys, so I'd like to thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.